Last Saturday, my friends and I stumbled upon a garage sale that promised treasures and oddities, which in garage sale terms usually means broken lamps and incomplete board games. But who doesn't love a treasure hunt, right? Among the dusty relics, we found an ancient typewriter with a sign that read "Fortunes, 25 cents. Intrigued, we pooled our spare change and fed a quarter into the machine. It whirred to life, clanking loudly before spitting out a slip of paper. "You will find joy in the most unexpected places," it declared. We chuckled, but curiosity got the better of us and we decided to test its fortune-telling prowess. More quarters led to more absurd predictions. "Your next meal will be unforgettable, and beware of ducks." We laughed off the ladder, but sure enough, on our way to lunch, a rogue duck waddled by and snatched my sandwich. As we left, the typewriter,